Hi everyone, this is Morgan from 9 to 5 Software. In this tutorial, we are going to find out about the best accounting software for government organizations or contractors and answer some of your most asked questions. You can find links to all the apps and services we discuss in the description. So without further ado, let's get started. FreshBooks is a perfect example of cloud-based applications that governmental organizations use to rectify their accounting problems. It eliminates the paperwork and allowing accountants to accomplish their task faster and accurately. Inclusively, this software is primarily used to automate accounting operations, for instance, expenses or bills or time tracking, invoicing, financial recordings or reporting, payment acceptance. Its highly affordable and free trial of up to 30 days is provided, so the accounts can assess if it perfectly fit their needs. Its powerful features make it ideal for utility districts, municipalities, school districts, and other governmental organizations. The software has journal entries, financial reports, and a general ledger, as well as accounts payable. It's perfectly suited for receipting, invoicing, budgeting, and billing, including other plethora of applications. Accountants can use Black Mountain software to generate all-inclusive financial reports or statements, net assets, and much more. The software also features requisition and purchase order systems. All the financial or budgeting information is accessed in real time. Equally, its unique features completely eliminate paperwork. Many public organizations are using Black Mountain software to solve their accounting hiccups. There are a lot of benefits accountants reap from using this cloud-based application. For instance, accountants can access operational insights, including financial details, in real time. That means they are in a good position to automate all critical processes. Besides its many unique features, Sage Intacct software is popular since it delivers many core accounting solutions like accounts payable, order, cash management, general ledger, and also accounts receivable. In addition, it has inbuilt reporting and management tools. It is ideal for projects, expenses, bills, revenue, and time management. Another bonus is that it's integrated with various applications. POS systems, CRM, and payroll are just a few examples. The City Government Accounting Software is a trusted and reputable name in the accounting world. It's entirely a fund accounting software for local governments. It has robust and flexible features that are essential for boosting performance. Additionally, it's affordable and fully integrated. Because of its superb financial management tools, it's the right application for the public, including other government agencies. It's fully compliant with FASB standards. It can be used to balance very many fund ledgers. It has all modules that are essential for tackling accounting problems, for example, payroll, purchase order, inventory control, and general ledger. The accounts payable, bank reconciliation, and invoicing modules are also present.